This tutorial guides you through configuring tray parameters within the Workspace application. You will learn how to set tray dimensions, weight limits, and save the configuration using AI Create. Click Tray Management to open the tray configuration area within the Workspace application. Click AI Create to access the AI Create functionality for tray setup. Click AI Create to proceed with creating a new tray configuration using AI assistance. Fill in the tray size as 120 by 100 by 15 centimeters, tray weight as 20 kilograms, cargo weight limit as 1,200 kilograms, cargo height limit as 160 centimeters, and allowed top height difference as 5 centimeters to define the tray parameters. Click Recognize and Save to finalize and save the tray configuration settings.